haul. This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unpackaging a capote overcoat from Zara. You can see lovely looking back of Zara. I have a huge one in front of you guys. So I'll take this off to show you what we have inside. So I put here, you can see how beautiful capote we have in this. So let me put this capote overcoat on so I can show you. The size is medium, so when the weather is very low you can use some sweater inside this, so you have some space. It's not as other blazer or overcoat. I did review, this is a little bit longer than other one because of the weather, because this is high. It has double base though. Let me show you. You can see here you have a small pot, small zip. Close here, it says Zara as well. Closing this one, see how it looks. Yeah, if I go more distance, you can see the full length is a long one. So that's all people normally. I have medium height, you can say 175 to 176, something like this. Long overcoat, you have to have good posture, straight, you can see as this, because if you hunch down it will look very ugly. Capotes or something, you have to be straight, good posture, do some exercises if you want to, your clothes fits you good. Let me show you a bit closer how you see how it tights here, the shoulder good, no losing spot. See, I lose this one, here we go. So not should be losing a spot or something. Little bit loose is fine, but not the shoulder goes down, they look ugly guys. You see how is the shoulder here. If you put a light sweater with high neck inside, you can do that, or only a t-shirt is enough, you can see here, or shirt could be. Look how beautiful this one, how elegant and quality this one. Lovely. Always straight posture is important. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.